Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Ketia for everyone. So in this class I want to discuss how to render your designed objects in KeyShot 9. So this is the app, how it looks, the software. So let's begin. Before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more interesting content in future if you want to learn Ketia and also get a good professionality in using these mechanical softwares. So just right click and click on open. Your KeyShot will be opened. For opening KeyShot, your interface looks like this. So I had kept this in dark theme. First you will be having this light theme. I like dark colors, so I have turned it into dark. So after that you have to import your project. Just close this. So I am clicking on file and then just import. You can even use Control I. So I just want to import interesting thing, that is let us import some. So I'm just importing my Bugatti that I had drawn. Just import, click on import, set scene as default and orientation as Z axis, because up orientation, that means your vertical axis should be your Z in Katia. When you see XY will be your down plane, horizontal plane, and XZ will be your vertical plane. For that, using that I have designed my car. So I just had kept Z axis as my up orientation, and I am just importing. Click on import and then just import it. See, your car will be imported. So to rotate this, just click, give a left click and then just drag it. Your car will be rotated up and down. So to zoom in and zoom out, just scroll down the button for zooming in, and if you center click and drag it, it will be moving. I just zoomed it, and you can find these black dots here. So that is the smoothness. So to make that invisible, just click on lightning and let's go to performance mode. See, all that will be, it will be gone, those will disappear. See, when compared to Katia, you can find this as somewhat professional look is given to your vehicle. See, you can just see it, how good it looks. So then if you put it basic, it will be like this. And go to lightning, I just put jewelry here, so you can see everything. If I put custom as this cracked version, you can't find custom inputs. So I just kept it as in jewelry mode. So you can see this rough scaping here. So that will be in jewelry, but I am now, for now I am keeping it performance mode. So this is the look it gives. See, it gives a rich look to your design. In this environment, you can even see background lighting environment color. If you want to change color, see, it just went to white color, and then backplate image, everything you can change. And I'm just giving lighting environment, and then see here ground shadows. If I put off, see, the look is not so realistic. So just on your ground shadows, it will be like this. And then ground reflections, even you just on them. So I was just done with the environment. Now I'll be try to change background. I'll just tell you how to change. So you can just click on this startup and then change it to material. Click on material. So you can add materials even here. So I'm selecting this part, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and even this one. So I want to add a glass. So just scroll down, you will find, you will be finding it. here, glass solid, glass black. Just double click on that. Just wait for some time, it will be applied. And then after applying material, just click on this back plates or background, and I will be providing a background here. Just double click on that. Just this corridor, I had just given the corridor background. According to your requirement, you can even change that. I just gave garage here, so I will be giving corridor 1 because it is looking somewhat better and it is good to see. See, for applying material, you can just drag and drop it. See, go to material, just drag this glass black and drop on this glass. See, just turn to glassy look, and then you can even change the color of car. See, before in CATIA itself we had painted this, so there is no need to change again. So then again you can just go to colors. Similarly, even colors, I am just zoom this, zoom in, and just drag this blue, leave it on there. So as we applied material, it don't change now. It is unable to, it changes, but we can't just notice the difference as we applied this material now. So I just similarly here, if you drag it here, automatically it will change. For now the look is good, so I am not changing it anymore. And then just similarly we applied background here, textures, that means you can just change this. Here you can change these textures and all. Just drag it and you can just even drop here. Similarly this one. So that is the simplicity and use of this keyshot. See, it gives a realistic look to your automobile. So after doing all this, just click on render here. After you have just clicked on render, it will ask you in which format you want to save. So I am saving it as a JPEG, and then quality I'll keep 100%, resolution and all presets. I am giving, yeah, this is better. So let's keep in standard things, and then it is asking name. So I'll just name as Bugatti render. See, it has saved in the destination, so I want to just change the destination folder. I'll be saving here itself in where I had drawn this Bugatti. I'll just click on Bugatti and just select folder, and then just click on render. It will take some time to render. I'll show you how it looks. It looks really good when you use this keyshot. So this is all about rendering. See, after rendering, your file looks like this. See this realistic look. It will be still more realistic. It's only just 23% rendered. After 100% rendering, it will be really fabulous. I will be showing you after the end of this video. So you can just see this file after rendering. It took almost 20 minutes to render this. After just rendering, click on this green tick, it will be finishing, and then just close this. So that's how to render. And then I'll be giving you the download link in description. There will be also a video how to crack that. You can just follow the steps there. You can simply install the keyshot in your system and then it will be useful to render like this. That means it will be realistic files that you create. So thank you. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.